Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. These are the two border designs that we're going to draw today, and I'm using big markers to draw with and chalk pastels, and you'll see how I use those in a minute. They're fun. So what was I gonna say? Oh, in the last video I was talking about a YouTuber that I really like, but I thought I would share another one that I've been really into called Bible Flockbox. He's a great Christian YouTuber, and I don't know, it was placed on my heart today to share that. So you need to check him out. I will link his channel below, and he's really cool. He's pretty big YouTuber, Christian one too. So check him out. He's great. So I should probably keep this kind of short. I've got terrible allergies right now. I'm allergic to a ton of different foods and outdoor and indoor allergens, and my voice is all crazy today, so I'm going to keep this kind of short. Let me know which one you guys like, or just leave me a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would do so. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. One thing I wanted to show is, see how I use a clear ruler and I have that glass mat, which is great for workspace. It lines up, well, I'm already started drawing, but it'll line up the lines behind on the mat behind to get, I don't have to do as much measuring. I just wanted to point that out to you guys for the measuring impaired like me, that glass mat that I work on is just great because I can do, it's glass, so you can do anything on it, and I'm not trying to sell it to you guys. It's just, this thing is my favorite thing in my whole art room. I just thought I'd share that because I use it for everything, because it can get pretty dirty because it's glass, not just for drawing. So anyways, gotta save my voice. Talk to you guys in the next video.